Okay, fellow YouTubers, working on the 86 square body. I've cut this piece off here, but it looks like this part here was rusted out. This bottom piece, where this bottom lip here, you drill holes, spot welded here. Same thing with the back side. It's just eating away. So I'm assuming that's one of the spot welds here. So I'm assuming what I'm going to have to do is maybe trim this rust, weld a strip in, I guess. I'm assuming that's what I do. This lip right here, when you mount it up here, it won't go all the way in. Hang on there, get that tape. See right here. So I'm assuming I need to trim this, because this is just a seam sealer through here, which I got a little more to get out, and I still need to trim here. This was just a preliminary cut. So I'm being stalked. Since this is my first time doing this, if anybody has any suggestions, I've been watching a ton of these videos and everybody does it different. So we'll figure it out. We'll get her done. Still got to figure out if I want to cut this out. I don't really want to do a whole rocker panel. I'm just going to fill that in because the rest of it's solid. So anyway, we're going to figure it out eventually, someday.